Man, this won't be one of those typical intros right here where you'll jump into the video and I'll promise you millions in a few days and that's it. No, that is not my goal right here. And my goal right here in this video is to explain how to be profitable in the meme coin space. If you want to learn that, if you want to get out of the rat circle where you just keep on watching another by another YouTube crypto influencer strategy and feel like a complete failure, well then, not to worry, I'll explain it everything to you right here. So let's jump into the video. Now I'm going to be serious with you, bro. This is probably you if you're watching this video. You're the NPC, you're stuck in the circle and you can't win. Because if you're watching this video, you're probably asking these questions. What memes do I buy? Will this meme coin 100x? Why did this go down 99%? And why did I lose all of my money on a call which was made by the 69 crypto god? Why did I lose money when he shilled this coin? Why did it go down 99%? Why? And in some sort of ways, you're probably relating to these questions, and that's exactly why I call you the NPC and you can't win, just because you're stuck in this endless loop of finding a meme coin which you think will be performing very, very well, right? Chilled by your fucking greatest influencers, and then once you find it, you think that you found the fucking gold, you found the oil in the ground, you invest all of your money into it, you get insanely hyped, you think this is the next Dogecoin, you think that you escaped the trenches, but then the reality sets in and then you understand that it's not so easy in this space. Not everyone becomes millionaires from meme coins and not everyone is a very generous word, because chances of you making a lot of money in this space are very, very low, because 99% of you are stuck in this stupid cycle where you find again a meme that you think will 1000x, you get hyped, and then the reality hits you that it's not so easy. Now, a lot of people might think that they are not stuck in this rat circle, and I am just completely talking nonsense. Why? Because they might get lucky on a 10x, they might invest in some Pepe long bullshit bread and then get a clear 5, 10, 15x and be like, wow, I'm the fucking greatest trader in the world, right? I'm the best. I can invest in any coin that I want. It will just moon and I'll become a millionaire in the next few days. But what happens then is they lose everything and simply give up. And then what happens? They enter the rat circle just to realize once they have lost everything and are at zero. Now, why is this happening? How can you escape the NPC character? Well, it's basically everything in strategy. And this is what I call the visionaries. This is what we want to become. This is what you probably want to become too. A person who is profitable at trading the crypto markets, a person who understands the concepts of strategy and applies his or her strategy to any coin and still manages to make a profit. Now, what I mean by strategy, this is the part that you need to understand. This is the part that you need to literally put inside your head and just think about it over and over and over again. Why? Because you need a strategy to find your edge in the market, right? This is the fucking market and everyone in here are probably getting fucked. 99% of people. And where does that 1% go? They go on the edge. They find an edge where the money lies and then they take profits from there. Now, you need a strategy to find the edge. Joining some stupid calls group where you pay $5,000 a month and get calls on some random shit coins which are probably just made to pump influencers' own bags are not going to cut the edge for you. You need your own strategy. You need to refine it. You need to create it in your own unique way. And then once you do that, you will most likely find an edge where you make money. And if you stick along with your strategy, you again can be profitable trading any coin and be the fucking visionary. Now, what strategies I am talking about? As you know, with meme coins, there are endless strategies. You can basically become a long-term investor. You can be scalping. You can be scamming. I'm just joking, but you get what I'm saying. You can be copy trading the famous traders, which I showed you in the past video on my channel. But basically, as you understand, there are endless strategies. You can use pump.fun, right? You can use Dex Screener. You can use trading bots, that and everything else that you know about by probably watching those hundreds of useless influencer videos just because they talk about their own unique strategies. And this is what they're doing. They're explaining their own unique strategies because they found the edge and are trying to introduce it to you. But you should not take the same edge of a different person, right? If a person has found an edge in the market, you do not want to go ahead and copy that person, right? You do not want to implement the same strategy. Why? It's simply because you won't be understanding what they're doing. They can explain you the strategy, they can explain you why they are buying, they can explain to you when they are buying, but at the end of the day, you won't be understanding why are you selling at this point, why are you buying in this point, and why has he gotten into the meme coin at the first place. And first thing that you need to do is pick the trading style or the trading strategy in a whole that you'll want to be doing. So this is right here what I'm talking about. If you want to be, again, a long-term trader, scalping, trading pairs on Duck Screen or trading pairs on Pump.fun, trading pairs on crypto Twitter, copy trading meme coins, following gold channels, right, which I don't recommend doing again. But yeah, you need to pick your own unique playing style, right? And then once you pick, for example, if I want to be a Pump.fun trader, right, I need to go ahead and then refine my own strategy. And how do I do that? I go into the Pump.fun, I start using tools, I start following another people's tutorials to see what kind of edge they have. And once I know all of this knowledge, I go ahead and make my own trading style, my own trading strategy, and then I go ahead and test it. Once I see that it's profitable, once I see that out of the 100 trades, I win 51, and I'm only 1% profitable, but that's still profit. I go ahead and refine my strategy, and once I refine it, then I go ahead and upgrade it, then I go ahead and make money along the way, right? Now, let's say, for example, I'm going to pick Pump.fun trading strategy, right? I can even go ahead and explain some of the things that I'm going to do myself, that I have my own strategy for, right? And for example, we're on Bullex. If you want to be trading meme coin pairs on Pump.fun, well then you must use Bullex because this tool gives you an awesome edge in the markets. Of course, it shows you tokens that are about to graduate, tokens that are graduated, new creations on Moonshots, Pump.fun, dev holdings, top 10 holders, and all of the other stuff that you need to do if you're not in alpha groups, if you're not networking with people who pump these coins, who know what they're doing, who have a lot of experience. You must use Bullex because it will just help you trade. It gives you more of an edge, right? So let's say I'm going to be trading meme coins on Pump.fun, and how do I start creating my own strategy? Well, I saw, for example, that Insider Crypto, which most of you know, right? He goes ahead and tokens that are about to graduate. Then once they graduated, he waits for a 30-40% dip, and once that happens, he buys up the bottom and then lets it ride back up. Once it rises back up, he basically then sells, making this a scalp, and earns this way. So we know that Insider Crypto is doing this strategy, right? Then we can go ahead and think, what can we improve? How can I find an edge in this market? Is the strategy profitable? Can I make it more unique? Then if we're thinking in a way like that, right, we can go ahead and then perhaps only invest in coins who have a dev holding of, let's say, at a maximum of 10%. So once we graduate, once dip starts coming, right, the dev does not have enough allocation to dump the coin completely to zero, right? We can use that. Then maybe we'll be investing in only in meme coins who are related to the boys club, for example, right? Beppe, Andy, Brett, Landwolf, right? Maybe we'll be only investing in narratives like that. Maybe we'll only be investing in meme coins who are graduated, take the dip, and then are shelled by our call channels or influencers, right? There are endless ways to do it. You need to think of your own unique way. You need to think of a way that makes sense to you, that is profitable, and basically generates you profits. Again, I am not here to showcase you some strategy that will make you a millionaire in no time because it has 100% win rate. No strategy in YouTube, guys, is going to make you as profitable as your own strategy. If you think of a playing style that is unique specifically to you, that you find yourself profitable from doing, that is the fucking treasure buried under the island. You found the gold. If you have your own strategy, your unique own strategy, you found goal, guys. You struck the fucking oil. You are now profitable in the crypto markets, and you have your own edge trading meme coins, your own unique style, and you understand why you're making money or why you're losing money. And there are endless ways on refining it, making it better, so on and so on. So let me know if this video helped you at all. Let me know if I was just yapping for 15 minutes or I'll have no change to your future trading style. Let me know that. I personally think that my point stands still. I personally think that we all need our unique playing style in the field if you want to stay profitable, because copying other people without knowing why you're doing so simply won't cut it enough. So let me know again down below in the comments what you think about this video. If you liked it, let me know if you want to see me talking about something else more, and I'll make sure to catch you in the next time. Stay safe and good luck trading in DeFi.